Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is how to calculate simple interest in Python. To write Python program in IDLE, first of all click on start button, then all programs, Python 3.6 and then IDLE. Python shell gets displayed on clicking IDLE, that is the interactive mode. Another shortcut method to open IDLE is by double clicking on the IDLE icon on the desktop. Now click on a file, new file. To open the script mode, start writing the coding. First line is the command. It begins with the hash symbol. Program to calculate simple interest will not be printed on the output screen. It is used to just provide the additional information. P, R and T are the variable names. Enter the value of principal amount. Ask the user to enter the principal amount. Enter a rate of interest will ask the user to input the rate of interest. Enter the time period will ask the user to enter the time period. And these values will be stored in P, R and T. We know that the formula of simple interest is principal amount into rate into time divided by 100. SI is the variable name which will store the value of simple interest after calculating P into R into T divided by 100. Python is a case sensitive language, so variable names must be written as it is. Here P, R and T are written in small case letter, so while calculating SI equals to P into R into T, they must be written also in the same small case letters. We know that the print function allows us to print out the values of a variable and strings in parentheses. So here simple interest is enclosed in double inverted comma is a string and SI is a variable name. So the print function will print simple interest is and the value of SI. Save the file by clicking on File, Save as option. Select the location where you want to save the file and then give a file name followed by the .py extension and then click on a Save button. Here I have named the file SI followed by .py extension to save. After saving the file, click on Run module, or you can directly press the F5 key to get the output. We know that output will always be displayed in the interactive mode. Enter the value of principal amount. Ask the user to enter the value of principal amount. Enter any value of principal amount and press enter key. After this, enter rate of interest. Ask the user to input the value of rate of interest. Give the value of rate of interest and press enter key again. Pressing the enter key, enter time period line gets displayed. Enter any value for the time period. Press the enter key again. After pressing the enter key, simple interest is 140 gets printed. Thanks for watching it.